In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna that I am speaking to you. The science of Bhagavad Gita. To Arjuna says, why you are speaking to me? I am not a Vedantist. I am not a sannyasi. I am not on in spiritual understanding. People may say, but Krishna says, yes, you are my bhakta. Tosit. Therefore, to understand Bhagavad Gita means one has to become first of all a bhakta. The so-called non-devotee atheist class, scholar and politician, they cannot understand. It is not possible. They cannot enter in. It is just like licking the bottle of honey. You will not get any taste. It must be open. You can go to a person who knows how to open the bottle of honey, and then you can taste. Otherwise, if you simply lick up the book, Bhagavad Gita, becoming a very big scholar, you'll never taste it. You'll never taste it. You can satisfy yourself. Now I'm licking up daily Bhagavad Gita. Rice. But what will you understand unless you are a devotee? You'll not understand. The bottle is packed up. But the opening key is with the devotee. Satanga prasangat mama bija sangvida bhavantirit kannarasana. The devotee is now how to open it, the bottle. Only they can taste. One has to become first of all a bhakta. Understand Bhagavad Gita.